Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the values of x that satisfy this exponential equation. Now, to solve this problem, let us start by looking at these four numbers. 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. That is 3 to the power 3. 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. That is 5 to the power 3. 45 is 3 times 5. That is 15 times 3. So here we have 3 squared times 5. And finally, 75 is 5 times 5. That is 25 times 3. So here we have 3 times 5 squared. Now that we have expressed these four numbers as products of their prime factors, we can rewrite the original equation as 3 to the power 3 to the power x plus 5 to the power 3 to the power x divided by 3 squared times 5 to the power x plus 3 times 5 squared to the power x is equal to 19 over 15. Now, from our laws of indices, you know that when we have two powers like this, what we do is to multiply them. So here we have 3 to the power 3x plus 5 to the power 3x divided by 3 to the power 2x times 5 to the power x plus 3 to the power x times 5 to the power 2x. And of course, this is still equal to 19 over 15. Now, since we have two different bases in this exponential equation, that is base 3 and base 5, we can simplify the equation with two substitutions. Let 3 to the power x be equal to a and 5 to the power x be equal to b. With these substitutions, we can now write this equation as a cube. Of course, you know that 3 to the power 3x is the same as 3 to the power x cubed. That is a cubed from our laws of indices. Plus b cubed divided by a squared times b plus a times b squared is equal to 19 over 15. Now, in the numerator, we have the sum of two cubes, and we can factorize this. When we factorize this, we have a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. And in the denominator, when you look at these two terms, you'll see a common factor, which is ab. So we have ab into a squared b divided by ab is a, and ab squared divided by ab is b. Now, this is still equal to 19 over 15. And of course, you know that both a and b are positive quantities. So there is no way that a plus b can be equal to 0. So we can cancel these two. When we do that, we have that a squared minus ab plus b squared divided by ab is equal to 19 over 15. Now, to get rid of these two fractions, we cross multiply. When we do that, we have that 15a squared minus 15ab plus 15b squared is equal to 19ab. Now let us move 19ab over to the left-hand side of the equation. When we do that, we have 15a squared. Here we have minus 15ab. When this comes over, it becomes minus 19ab. Minus 15 minus 19 is minus 34ab. Then we have plus 15b squared, and this is now equal to 0. Now we can factorize this quadratic expression on the left-hand side. What are the factors of 15a squared? We have 3a and 5a. What are the factors of 15b squared? We have 5b and 3b. But since this is negative, let this be minus 5b and let this be minus 3b. Of course, you know that minus 5b times minus 3b is still going to give us plus 15b squared. Now, 3a times minus 3b is going to give us minus 9ab. And 5a times minus 5b is going to give us minus 25ab. And of course, minus 25ab minus 9ab is going to give us minus 34ab. So when we factorize the left-hand side of this equation, we have 3a minus 5b multiplied by 5a minus 3b is equal to 0. And of course, from here, we have that either 3a minus 5b is equal to 0, from where 3a is equal to 5b, or 5a minus 3b is equal to 0, from where 5a is equal to 3b. Now, in the first case, we have that 3a is equal to 5b. When we divide through this equation by 3 times b, this is going to cancel that, and this is going to cancel that, giving us that a over b is equal to 5 over 3. But now remember that a is 3 to the power x, while b is 5 to the power x. So here we have 3 to the power x over 5 to the power x is equal to 5 over 3. Now, we can write this as 3 over 5 to the power x, since both of these numbers have the same power. And of course, we can write this as 3 over 5 to the power minus 1, since we did an inversion. Now, when you compare both sides of this equation, you can see that we now have the same base on both sides of the equation. That means that x must be equal to minus 1. And in the second case, we have that 5a is equal to 3b. Once more, let us divide through this equation by 5 times b. This is going to cancel that, and this is going to cancel that. And we have that a over b is equal to 3 over 5. Now, a is 3 to the power x, while b is 5 to the power x. This is equal to 3 over 5. We can combine this as 3 over 5 to the power x, and this is equal to 3 over 5 to the power 1. Once more, when we compare both sides of this equation, we have that x is equal to 1. So the two values of x that satisfy this exponential equation are x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. Now, to check our answer, let us substitute these two values of x into the original equation. When x is equal to minus 1, we have 27 to the power minus 1. That is 1 over 27 plus 1 over 125. Now, this is divided by 1 over 45 plus 1 over 75. To combine these two fractions into one unit, we have 1 times 125, that is 125, plus 27 times 1, that is 27, divided by 27 times 125. Now, this is divided by 1 times 75, that is 75, plus 45 times 1, that is 45, divided by 45 times 75. 125 times 27 is 152. This is divided by 27 times 125. Divided by 75 times 45 is 120. Divided by 45 times 75. And from here we have 152 over 27 times 125 multiplied by, we now turn this upside down. So we have 45 times 75 over 120. Now 25 into 125 is 5 and 25 into 75 is 3. 5 into itself is 1. 5 into 45 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. This will take care of that. So from here we have 152 divided by 120. Now 8 into 15 is 1. Remainder 7. 8 into 72 is 9. 8 into 12 is 1. Remainder 40. 8 into 40 is 5. So we have 19 over 15, which is exactly what we have on the right hand side. And when x is equal to 1, then we have 27 plus 125 divided by 45 plus 75. 27 plus 125 is 152. 45 plus 75 is 120. 8 into 152 is 19. And 8 into 120 is 15. 19 over 15, exactly what we have on the right hand side. So these two values of x satisfy the original equation. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.